This video is going to show you how to access the rosters in your PowerTeacher. So first you need to go into PowerTeacher Pro. Then on the left-hand side, click the reports. You will see a link for student roster. Once you're here, you have some things that you can change or settings you can modify. So it's defaulted to the class that you opened it in, but you can actually print rosters for all of your classes at once. So you can select other courses. So you can see right here which courses I have selected. Now, one thing you'll want to do when you select multiple classes is to sort by section. So each class will be its own page. You can also add different columns to your roster. Name, I like to add grade because it's not very easy to see that anywhere else on PowerSchool. You can also add birthday, gender, student number, parents' information, etc. I also like to add blank columns because this is what I use for attendance. At the top, you can also choose certain students to include or remove. And then formatting, you can choose portrait or landscape. And I like to put a page break between my classes. So once you run the report, if you open that up, you will have your roster with your students, the course, the grade, and then I had 15 blank spots. You can customize that. And then if you scroll, there's the second class that I had printed and the third class I had printed.